So apparently I don't know how to make YouTube shorts, because tried to cut together the bird's reactions to my new haircut, because I shaved my head. Patrick here's never seen me with short hair. He's a little put off this morning. Buddy has only seen me with short hair twice. The day I got him, and then a year later. Yeah. Didn't cut my hair for the first year because I didn't want him freaked out. Because I know what it's like for Loki when I cut my hair, and he's always put off for a day or two. But Buddy here, he's only happy with me because I bribed him with a couple peanuts. He got grapes this morning and he was mad.